Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, I'm out here seasoning up this reverse flow. Figured I'd let y'all take a look at it right quick. I hadn't showed this size in a while. I don't know if I've showed this size at all. I've showed this style, but I've got it up pretty high right now. I've already seasoned it some, and I'm gonna go over it again. But anyway, this is the pit. It's reverse flow, built with 3/16 steel. The firebox is about 18 by 18. Got some coals in there. It's got the ash pan in there. Has clamps and gaskets on the chamber door. Has a propane burner under here. The griddle doesn't typically come with it. It's just added on for the customer that this is for. Also a fire poker down there laying there. But I've got it up pretty high right now. That one's almost 375. That one's about 350. So anyway, let me open these doors. Need to get some more oil in here. It has 2 racks in it. They both slide out. Let me grab a glove right quick. They both slide out, and it has the removable plates inside there. You can kind of see them in there, I think. And it comes all the way down to right there where it opens up. There's also a coal rack in the bottom. I'm not going to pull them out right now because they're hot. But it has a coal rack in the bottom so you can direct grill with it. Close that back down. And if you were to direct grill, you would open this vent right here and close the vent on your firebox. That way you're causing the draft to go back that way. And if you didn't do that, I mean, the heat would just come up and go out right there. But it has a 4-inch stack. The main chamber is 40 inches long, about 18 wide, about 22 deep. The firebox is about 18 by 18. Has 5-inch spinning casters on the front, wagon wheel styles on the back. Burner comes with it. The burner don't have to come with it, but it has a drain on it down there. And that's pretty much the grill. Without this griddle, or let me say it like this, without the burner on it, just straight grill, it's $900. With the burner, it's $950. And then of course, you can add other stuff to it. There's an ash pan that comes, and the firebox right there. You can kind of see the handle of it. You can add a drip pan up here. The drip pan for the main chamber is $25. Might be able to see it through there. You can kind of see it up under that coal rack. The log lighters are $50 if you wanted to add those, but just the basic pit is $900. And then like the burner, the log lighter, everything else is add-ons off of it. But this is a good pit. I mean, you see it burning right there. And it don't even have that much fire in it, really. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all take a look at it. If you're interested in something like this, you can shoot me an email, and I'll get back with you and we can get one done. I'm slam packed before Christmas, so I can't get any more done before Christmas. I got 6 to finish up now. But that's it, man. A lot of people like reverse flow, and this is a real nice one. Like I say, 2 racks. And they'll both hang out there if you want them to. So anyway, I'm gonna finish seasoning this thing up and get the fire out of it. Just wanted to let y'all take a look at it. That's it. So anyway, that'll do it on this one, man. I got another video coming soon of that rebuild I've been talking about. I'm working on it now. Hopefully it'll be up in the next few days. I should be done with it tomorrow, I think. But anyway, y'all be on the lookout for that. And I know I got a couple more videos coming here soon. So if y'all new to the channel, please like and subscribe. If you're looking for a grill or fire pit or anything, shoot me an email. I'll put it in the description box. And just let me know, man, and I'll get back with you. We'll see you on the next one.